Mm-mm. All right. All right. Might be a gold long setup here for MGC.
All right, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody this morning? Morning, Lulu.
Sitting here talking on mute. Pulling a Paul here. Next thing you know, I'm gonna be pulling Tom. Ugh.
Yeah, I pulled a couple toms yesterday.
It's all right. Hey, we'll start trading the MGC together at night.
Oh man,
I'm about
it's last 2 days have been pretty good for me.
I am about it there, buddy.
You see what I texted you about maybe doing that in this room instead of the other one?
Yeah, I just replied to you.
Oh, did you? Okay, I didn't see it. Yeah, I think it's smarter, right? He doesn't have to leave the room.
Well,
You just do it right.
Yeah, I think let's talk about that.
Okay.
But if you guys aren't doing the member hangout, y'all need to be doing it. If you're not doing the member, PPR was over there this morning, right? PPR, tell them. You guys need to be over there. It's good prep time, good get going time, different perspective. You get a different view. You get somebody else that you guys get to talk together. I mean, so I think you guys should be doing the member hangout in the mornings. There's a benefit there for you guys. Anytime we're not there, guys, I tell you, guys, not just Stretch, but there's a lot of people in here that know how to trade, know their stuff, and they're good. You guys need to be doing this to have that different perspective. Stretch is phenomenal. Yeah, there you go. Okay, good. So yeah, you guys get in there and talk about what you're going to do for the day. If anything, do that. What trades you're looking for, what just the whole gamut there.
NQ comes down.
I'm looking at this as an MGC long setup.
Uh,
Possible MGC setup.
this looks like it could come a little lower. I got a little area around, like, well, it's a good ways down actually. 20, 30, around 30.
Yeah. Yeah.
That 23 to 30 area looks pretty strong. I don't
I
know.
mean,
I
it
mean,
keeps wicking off of that. That's the only thing I
it
keep
could
thinking
turn
about
up.
there. It just keeps wicking off of that spot.
Yeah, you got a lot of wicks in here, but you also have them on the top side, so I don't know. Is it the cleanest setup? Probably not. But it is setting up. Oh, dang it. Note to self, don't put your fingers on your glasses. Doesn't work well.
Get that finger oil on it.
Yeah. I just went to rub my eye right through my glass. That didn't work.
Yeah. Oh well.
I would wait on that. I think that gold doesn't. I don't know. So where would your entry be? Above, all the way above like 63, or right above this wick here at like 56?
I think it'd have to be above this little shelf here.
What is that, 53-ish?
I
50,
was
no, not even that.
54.8, so
54.8.
54.9.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a buy stop in.
Okay. Let's do it.
We'll see.
55-ish. 54.9.
All right.
Mike doesn't
77.
work with
So
Discord.
balance. Yeah, I think that's the long we all should be looking for there, Stretch.
All right. There goes your GC. I just think this is coming down further.
Okay.
I think if it come now a little bit further down in that area, I'll jump all over that. I think we have a good
I'll take
setup.
it.
Or even this, got an 89 right here on the bigger chart. If we get
There we go.
something here, that'll come down a little bit more.
I
Just
mean,
a
I'll take
little
it.
bit
I'd
more.
take it down here at like 27-ish, 27 and a
Oh
half.
yeah, me too. That's the area I have. That's what I was kind of waiting for. So,
The money area.
oh shoot, look at my little short on. Okay. Tell you what, man, I'm playing around with these micros. I'm short one micro, an NQ, and I'm up like 150 bucks, 115 bucks.
I don't think that's playing around at all. That's called really doing it.
I mean, they pay. I can't make no money with micros. I don't know.
Hey, look, I mean,
My GC begs to differ.
yeah, I was gonna say your GC account begs to differ. That's for sure.
Like almost what, 1,800 bucks in 2 days. Trading 1, 2 max micros. All right, now we're in that area where we could look.
Let's see. See if we get that long. It looks like we might get it. Might get it all across the board here.
Oh, yeah, you know what?
NQ,
I'm not looking at
MGC.
anything else. Looks like it, yeah.
I'm looking at this MGC though.
London.
Dude, I do have a good level here actually. This is not a bad. A little bit lower maybe. Somewhere from here down.
I mean, if it sets up, take it.
No.
This is a.
Just wicked off that. It's gonna go without us though. A little V bottom there.
Yeah.
Maybe to push back down and give a W. Then I get in. W. W.
A dub.
W. I was Tom was talking about that. We're gonna do that. Guys, I think
No,
my GC chart. No,
it's
it's
gonna
moving.
go.
It's moving. Is it not moving?
What? What's not moving?
My GC chart?
Yeah. 49.35.
Yeah, no, it's moving.
49.35.9. Yeah,
Delayed?
it's the same. Mine's the same.
Yeah, it took off without us. Dang.
Oh, are you listening in? Oh, no, he's in here. I was say, are you listening in YouTube? A little delay in YouTube. Yeah, it that was your bounce out of that zone right there.
Yeah, do not watch on YouTube, guys. There's a delay there. It may not look like it's
Yeah.
moving for a minute on YouTube. Man, should have got that hook of stochastic on that one. That was tough. That was a tough entry though.
Yeah, but it set perfect out of that zone.
Yeah,
Just
I
came down,
know.
wicked it, and jumped right out
Right
of it.
off of it.
Perfect.
Well, poop. I was gonna do that in MGC too, man. But yeah, I think maybe even starting tomorrow night we start trading MGC together
We can
for
do
a little
that.
bit.
I think if we're
You
on,
guys
we can go ahead and
interested
just
in
open
doing
the
the
room.
evening MGC session with me and Paul? Anybody interested in doing that from time to time?
In the evening. All right.
Well, dang, that
2
thing ran
people,
off on
3
me.
people. All
Okay,
right.
cool. All right, there's more than I thought.
4,
Oh,
5, 6.
wow.
There we
Okay,
go.
all right, let's do it then.
Now people are chiming in.
Paul and I are going to trade it, so you guys might as well join us.
Yeah, you might as well come in and join us. We'll be there regardless. I got a big target on an NQ, but it's way down at around 25,800 long term. So I'm trying to hold that macro down there. PBR, we'll just whenever we get on, it should give you a notification in your
It should
Discord.
notify you guys. Here,
Yeah.
somebody, why don't somebody, if you got your phone app on, we'll test it real quick. I'll turn off the stream here and turn it back on. Make sure you guys get notified. You should get notified though on your phone when I turn the
You
stream
gonna
on.
cut everybody out?
No, somebody just jump out of the live stream and I'll turn it off. Tell me when. If PBR, do you have your mobile app? The Discord one? with the notifications turned on? I mean, obviously, look. Okay, here, get out, PBR. I'm gonna turn off the stream real quick and turn it back on. Let me know when you're leaving, or I can disconnect you and then you can come back in. Let me know when if you get a message here in the next 5. Here, I'm gonna kill the stream now. You get out. We'll give it a couple seconds. I'll let you tell me. Your app is closed. Okay, well, never mind. We'll do it. It should notify you guys. Somebody check your app. I mean, it should notify you anyway. Watch, I'm gonna kill the stream and I'll turn it back on. It should notify you on the app. Should get a notification on that. Should be a notification come out on me starting that stream.
I didn't get one.
Well,
I don't think you closed it because it still says 26 minutes.
no, that's just the way it does it. I think mine told me streams. Oh, I don't know if it's because I'm the owner on the app.
I don't think you closed it because I could still hear you talking when it said stream was closed and you were talking.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't get anything either, but I think you have to close it. Yeah.
Well, all right. Here's the other thing too. If you're in the live stream and you hear this, it means Brian's
Get on.
trading. It means Brian's trading. All right, we'll fix that. We'll make sure that'll work. There you go. But won't be tonight, but tomorrow night I'm totally down to trade MGC with you.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's look for these longs. I think they're trying to set up now. What time is it? Ah, man, I like that 923, 925 trade. You're sitting right there too. I like this, Paul. Do we do it? I gotta make a decision right now. Like right now. Right now we gotta make a decision. Setup on the MNQ is looking a little bit better than the one on the. On the NQ is looking a little bit better on the smaller tick chart than the bigger one for the ES, but we'll see. Let's see. I mean, it'd be ideal if that candle's finished just like that, and then we have a clear buy stop right here. That would be. What's the high of that? That's 12.25, and
That's London.
12, so 12.50.
It appears, I could be wrong, but it appears as they want to push this down for the open. And then
that way. It does look like that. Let's see. I mean, we got 206. I don't know if I want to jump in this early. Maybe I want one more candle. I want this candle.
9:25, 5 minutes for the open.
Yeah.
You don't really have but one candle.
Such a strong uptrend right now, though. I mean, not really strong up.
You're not oversold on stochastics.
Yeah, you're
right. Let me know because I got to put it in if you're going to take it.
I've got the buy stop in. I'm thinking right now we got 45. Now we're on a new candle, so that gives me a little bit more confidence in the trade. All right,
okay.
I'm in. I'll put buy stop in. I'm trying to decide if I want to do the NQ as well. I think the NQ would be easy to get targets if you did that.
NQ is setting up.
I mean, it's a setup, and it's from a bona fide level.
But NQ's a higher end, right? 60.
Yeah, I mean, you'd be in at what? 54.
Oof.
50. Nope, it's pushing down.
Yeah, I'm on the fence about this one, Brian.
Right now on this one.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna cancel mine. I'll see
see
how it works out for you.
Buy stop here. Let's see. We got a couple minutes till the open here.
I'll look what these bigger
if this candle turned around, it'd have to turn around like now.
Don't like those wicks.
I don't like that this NQ is staying down either.
Yeah, NQ's still looking short. So.
And it's staying down. That's what I mean. Yeah, it's staying down. So Maybe we pass on this one. How many do we pass on? We always end up with a good one.
Let's see, 3 minutes to the open,
Nope,
two and a
it's
half, three and
down.
a half.
This is what I love about the big tick charts, man. You get plenty of time to decide if that's your trade or not.
So let it come down to that other level there,
Where do you
other
want?
swing right there.
That's
I
what
don't know. I just
I'm
think they're
leaving my
gonna.
buy
I mean, I
side
could be
10.
wrong, but I think it. I
You want it to get
think.
all the way down to what? 7,000?
Shit, hold on, let me turn something on real quick.
Oh, you got a magical thing you can turn on there that just tells you when to fucking trade?
No, I just
Oh, excuse my
yeah,
language, guys.
I got this
Excuse,
thing that tells me when to trade.
excuse my language, guys. Sorry about that.
No, I mean,
Sorry about that. Like, what do you have that I don't have, Paul?
it looks like it wants to come down to.
The crystal ball. Yeah, you got a
Um,
crystal ball. Yeah, it's down. Let's wait. Let's wait. This
yeah,
this bar is
I
not
think they're
giving
going to
me
push
the.
it down at the open. I'm long.
Yep.
I'm long bias.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
just
We
think it
got to
needs to
have a
come
long
down.
bias at this point, but
Yeah.
this is also the area, Paul, where I keep talking about this. You look at these dailies; they keep driving it down from this level. It keeps driving down, driving down, driving down from this level. I
Mhm.
mean, it has since virtually since they got here.
That's hard
So
to
I
argue with you.
mean,
You're right.
they they keep driving it down
Oh.
from that level. So I just
So you
I
just want to leave one there? If
it's
it
got
takes it, it
got to
takes it.
prove to me. Well, my thought is we're probably sitting in some two-way trading.
Time is it? We got 2 minutes to the open. Yeah, I'm gonna let the open happen.
No,
I
if
watch
the
it just
trade would
shoot
have
out at the open.
filled by now, I'd obviously be in it. Silly statement, but you see what I'm saying? Like I would have wanted to be long now before the open, not like going into the open. I can't do it going into the open. That 923 to 925 sweet spot. If you get the trade then, and sometimes it'll run in your direction if you get that. I'm a fan of that trade. I don't know why. I do know why, because when it fills at that right time, it works great. Usually you end up with a runner out of it. But man, it's still setting up, Paul. It's not.
No, that's what I'm looking at. I'm thinking, should we just put it in, and if it goes, it goes.
I mean, if
It's a
it pops, it's gonna
small
pop on the open,
risk.
and we'll get it.
That's what I'm saying.
It does look heavy. I'm gonna put it back in now.
Me too. I'm putting it back in also.
I'm gonna hit one on the NQ as well. Do
That's
I
a
want
little
to
bit
put
more
all my
gutsy.
eggs in one basket on the open? No, I don't want to do
That's a
that.
little bit more gutsy from
Yeah, I
me.
don't want to put
I'll
all my
try.
eggs
I'll
in one
try the
basket.
ES. I'm not gonna try the NQ at the open.
Okay, I'm not gonna put all my eggs in one basket then. I'll just
Mine
wait.
aren't quite that big. Sorry.
I could switch to an eval. Let's see here. Never mind. It's failing. Never
Told you
mind.
they're gonna push
That's
this
it.
thing
It
down.
failed
All right.
already. The trade failed. Let's wait for the lower level. We can't do
Yep.
it now.
Time is it? We got
That candle had to
30
go up,
seconds.
not down.
I tell you what, if it plays out the way I think, and they push this thing down, we're gonna catch that long because they're gonna push it down to get in. They're gonna. You watch. If it doesn't just shoot up at the open.
All right. So tomorrow night, probably. What time do you want to guesstimate?
I don't know. Maybe just sometime after the open. But I don't know. It's hard for me to. I don't know what my schedule is.
Like 7:38 ish Eastern.
The only reason I've been doing it is just because I'm jumping on to do that stuff with Gray, right? And
Right.
I'm just sitting
Well,
there
let's get. I
watching
mean,
the market.
good time to hit the gym, do stuff, come back, eat.
Yeah, not too late because it does get slow after a while.
7:30
All
or
right, here we
8,
go.
something like that. There we go.
Yeah,
There we go.
7:38. All right, let's watch this because it's going to.
Down. Somebody's trying to buy it though. Yeah, that's not a fun open to be involved in.
Mm,
Nope. That is not a fun open to be involved in. Still, we need to be lower. This is gonna be a short. You're right. I mean, if
mm.
you wanted to buy the yes, you'd have to do it above this. I'm just not gonna do it in the open right now. I mean, it is a bona fide buy signal though.
But the
Bona
NQ is
fide.
still short, so there's it. There's your entry right
Popping
there.
up. Yeah, it's just that's just not. I can't price action. That's not my setup. NQ better setup. Actually, a much better setup on the NQ.
There it is.
I should have
Son
taken
of
the
a gun.
NQ. I knew that. Oh well. You gotta love those two wicks down there on the NQ. Good trade. There you go. You got the long. Somebody got it. That's just
Nice.
not
Who got
quite in
it?
my
Oh,
game
nice.
plan on that one on the ES.
Yeah,
NQ
it was
NQ is in
valid.
my game
It was,
plan. I mean, this is a trade on the NQ. I mean, you look at the lower tick chart, you got the little W, 2 wicks here on the bigger tick chart. That's a trade. That is a trade.
you can still take it above 55 if it doesn't break here. I just think
I just look at the NQ still
NQ's a
pushing down
short.
like that.
Yeah, NQ's a short.
We should probably take the short actually, to be honest with you, but
Mhm.
I'd be a
I
little
am short on
patient.
that one micro.
Huh?
I
Oh
am
yeah, you
short on
do
that
have that
one
one
micro
micro
from
short. Look
earlier.
at you.
Yeah, I'm up $270 on one micro so far. I'm holding for a big target down below, so it'll probably come up. We'll see what happens. But right now, momentum is
Well, when you hit your big target, let me know and I'll take the long.
okay. It's a lot. I mean, it's a shot.
Oh, let's see.
I'm swinging for the fence.
On the ES, I mean, this is still the area you should be buying from on the ES.
They're
Now
going
on
to
the
push
NQ
this
though,
down
we
for
got
the
to be
first
back
few
down here. We
minutes.
got to get down to I don't know around what,
Time
850
is it?
ish.
7:35. Give it another 5 minutes. Let this thing come down. And I mean, if we see a clean setup here, we got to jump on it. Either
Yeah,
one.
no, this is it's like trying to set up again on the ES. Let's see if it does. I think I'll try it. Maybe try it on the NQ. I need it to go a little bit lower. Yeah, it's going lower. Never mind. That's a breakout to the short side on the NQ, guys. And it's about to be a breakout to the short side on the ES here and now. We'll get these longs. It'll be a good one to be had down a little bit further.
I'm telling you about give it another few more minutes. Let this thing get down to where I have that like
What is your low?
O2. Remember we talked about O2 the other day?
Oh,
It was yesterday that I was talking about O2 90. Was it 90 something, the O2? Remember my target O2 750?
99,
O2. Yeah,
02.
that's that. I still
Because
have
I had
that area
97 as
there.
a target, and you wanted to do 02, and
Right,
then
and I
we
wanted
settled at
O2
99.
5, and I just think it needs to get down
Yeah,
there.
no,
If it gets down
that's a
there
good
again,
call.
that's the area I'm waiting for the long.
That's a good call. Any trade that I've had from there before, I'll take again. Even if it was closing a trade out
If we're
because that
just
was a max
patient,
profit.
we'll get because when this thing reverses, it's gonna go. We'll get that. We'll get that runner. You watch. You watch. Here's now we're getting into an area.
It's a good little push down on the
Going
open.
down.
I like this.
Yeah, so kind of figured what I thought. I was almost going to say we should probably go short at the open because it really
Well,
looked like they were going to
I
push
mean,
it
if
down.
somebody took the breakout short that I called, you definitely got targets and profitable.
You would be
Especially on the
pretty
NQ, that
happy
was an
right
easy
now.
one. I was considering that on the NQ the breakdown short, but I'm really looking for this long here. I can't do that V bottom. Come on, give me a trade.
We don't do V bottoms. We're not done yet. It's going to go down. Maybe, I don't know. It is hooking, but we'll see. We will see.
This,
Going down.
trying
What
to
time
set
is
up a
it?
little inverse head and shoulders
7:35.
thing here. It's just you have to buy it there. That is the long. It's gonna pass by without us. There you go.
Don't think it's the long though.
Just yet.
No,
Yeah, no
it
follow
is
through
a
yet on
long.
the NQ.
It is a long, but I think it's going to come down more.
I'm gonna get it on one of these accounts here.
We'll get it. We'll get it. It's not going to fool us. We'll get it. What they make coffee for. Keeps me calm. No FOMOing. You can't buy a V bottom. If that's the long, then it goes without me because I can't buy that V bottom.
No, couldn't
I
couldn't
mean,
drive the
that's
V
just
bottom. I
I
can't do
can't
it.
do
I'm
it.
just not a V
So
bottom guy. If the NQ had made it inverse head and shoulders, I'd be all over it, but it didn't. Like here on this chart, if it's
mhm.
settled down here and then settled down here, I would bought it out of there, but can't do that. Little inverse head and shoulders. All right, let it go a little bit lower.
Ooh, 320. Go,
There's,
baby. Go, micro. Go, Mr. Micro.
next time, why don't you tell me you're getting in
I
there
wonder
with
if I
me?
should tighten that up.
You're getting
Yeah,
done. I mean,
I probably should tighten it up. No,
I mean, you're
I'm
here.
gonna let it
You're
go.
here.
I'm at break even. I'm at break even. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Who cares?
I would consider 320 working.
Yeah, I mean, I wonder if I should just take that.
I think you
No,
should.
no, no. I'm gonna hold out for my target. I'm gonna hold out for it.
We'll put your stop at least at the entry, right?
Yeah, yeah. No, I won't lose any money, but
96 and stop.
there you go. Keep going. I am in at. Hold on, I got to change accounts to get to that. Where is it? Here, this account. I got in at 90, 90, 93, 94, 94.50. Sorry, 94.50. All right, now I'm gonna go back to my other account. All right, here we got to keep an eye on it.
I'm also eyeballing my 6C short today too.
A lot to look at right now, but
RTY is getting there. RTY is really getting there too.
I can't do all three of them. I guess I could. Let me look.
Try to figure out.
RTY on it. If you're asking me, RTY, I got down around 51. That's where I would like see that other previous swing over there to the left. But I mean, you also have one here, so and you're
Yeah.
right at VWAP and the 89. So yeah, you got a lot going on right here.
Let's see if it breaks this.
You got a lot
We
going
got
on
to
right
look for the
here.
lower level if it breaks it.
Yeah, I told you that ES wasn't down. Wasn't done. Now it's in the area where we got to watch.
Yeah. Should we? I think I think a buy stop somewhere like it's that. Oh, wrong account. I think a buy
Crappy
stop
crap.
now would probably be the idea.
We could try one at the top
Uh,
up here. I just don't think it's done.
I accidentally miss woofed and put an order in on that one. Whiffed, cost me $100 something. All right, now the NQ is starting to set up. The ES is junkier, but I like this. I like this little spot here on the NQ. No, never mind. Let's just lay off this one.
Just wait. Yeah. Let this first
That
15
cost me
minutes
that
go.
silly little.
Just hold off. I know I'm itching too. I'm looking.
My finger
I don't
twitched on
want
the
to miss it
chart
because when
too,
it
but
reverses, it's going to go. But I think we're going to get a pretty clean signal. It's just got to come down a
that
little bit more. It's
has it
just at that area, but we can go all the way down to what, 95? Isn't that what you had before? 90, 96,
7,
95,
97,
7. Of course, that is an entry.
97 is what I have. I mean,
That
I would
is
like it from
that is
there.
setting up. Oh crap, man. This is tough. Do we take this?
That's it. I mean, it already made on the long
What
on the
is it?
ES. I just now I'm just kind of torn on it. I mean, if we do anything, I'd take the NQ trade at like 40. I mean, that's the only thing that
Yeah.
makes sense. Yeah, I'm gonna put the buy stop in at 40 on the NQ. I mean, if the ES keeps going up, 40.75. If the ES keeps going up, the NQ's got to follow it at some point, you know.
God, the NQ looks so heavy though. Holy
Does.
smokes. Whew. They're really hard to buy the NQ for me right now. Really hard.
Oh, never mind.
That is
Wasn't right
why.
there either.
I'm telling you, this just
All right, let's just wait
I
here.
got every gut instinct telling me that's just what I feel. That
No,
doesn't
too.
mean
Try
crap.
it.
Doesn't
We'll
mean
try it.
crap. There's no technical
It's
behind it
definitely
other
heavy.
than my
It's
feeling. I've
definitely
just
heavy.
seen this game
Hey,
before.
this is exactly what I was talking about too. They every time they put it up here, they dropped it down.
Hmm.
So where do they go? I mean, on the ES, they're probably going all the way back. I mean, you
It's
could see
not
all. I
financial
mean,
advice.
again, like you said, that 97 area, 98, we look for a long on the ES, and if we don't get it there, it's got to be all the way down here. If not,
Yeah, then it's all the way down.
I would consider a short just based on what we've seen in the past from this.
Hmm.
Missed that NQ long, but it ended up being kind of like a V bottom on the smaller tick chart. So that, I mean, RTY, sorry, RTY long ended up being a little bit of a V bottom, so that was kind of hard to get to as well. You are getting short up here on the RTY. Anybody's interested in thinking about that? Actually, you know what? Oh shoot,
RTY is, yeah, I like that.
that
That I'd
actually
be a little bit more
that
on
actually
board
might be
with.
a like maybe right there.
Come on
12
down.
ticks
Come
up.
on down. Oh, don't reverse on me here. Come on down.
All right, and I don't know. I think that would be okay if that hits. And then nope, never mind. Gotta cancel that. Everything's gotta get canceled this morning. Failed trades all around. All right,
We're all about
NQ.
canceling this morning.
Yeah, all right. Well, I'd rather take $100 shot than. All right, do we try the NQ here?
Mm, 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 mm. I still don't
You
feel
want to
it.
take this? Sell it.
We're not
We're done
done,
on the
man.
short
This thing's
side.
going down.
Oh wow,
Look at
wow.
that crap.
I was just looking. Do we have any news this morning? Real news?
No, but government's closed, so there's no
Oh yeah,
all the like job jolts and all that stuff was canceled.
unemployment rate. Oh no, that's yeah, nothing really. Okay. Oh yeah. Hey, I won my Kashi bet.
Oh, did you? Oh, the guy. Yes, right. Shut down, right?
Government shutdown. Yeah,
I gotta get on there and play with that. That sounds
it's
like
fun.
fun.
Yeah, I mean, doing little things like that. Man, if that candle hadn't shot out of blue to the south side, I would have probably entertained this long right now. But I mean, that is the long right there on the ES. I can't do it. I can't do it with these candles like moving like that.
I want that first 15-minute candle on that to close and then see what it does. This thing, look at that. Look at the 15-minute chart, straight down. Got a few more seconds. Just 30 more seconds, then we can make our decision. Because we are definitely in the area where it should. This is the area where we should be seeing. We should be ready. Get ready.
All right. Yes or no?
Yeah, if we take it, if we get it now, definitely.
Whoa, 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 whoa. That was a sell stop, not a buy stop. Okay, let's try that one more time.
Well, give me an entrance.
I mean, that RTY short did make, but it didn't finish anything to speak of. Paul, these longs, I don't know, man. I just, I'm having a hard time pulling the trigger on it. I just can't do it. I gotta be out of it. I can't do that. I'm gonna let it pass. This is not my price action.
That's
No,
fine. I haven't seen the setup yet anyway, so I,
if
I'm
anything,
I'm
like I said
I'm.
earlier, I'd probably entertain the short on the
I mean, the NQ
smaller
is still
smaller tick
looking
chart.
super heavy. Holy cow!
I did see V-bottom.
$531.70 on my micro.
Nice.
Oh, crap. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to kill that. I'm gonna take some money. I'm gonna
I mean,
lock in
that's
about half of it.
again, that's there's the long, and that would be making your targets and stuff.
Not yet. Telling you, when this thing turns, it's gonna go.
Yep.
Gonna go. It's just figuring out when that happens.
It's going to be in this crappy way like this. It's just going to crap
Hmm.
up. It's going to be my official term. It's going to crap up. There you go.
All right, there we
If
go.
I wasn't a pansy, I would have held on to that. That'd been decent little long. I tried it. I put it on the NQ and I took it off. And I put it in. I was like, you know what? I don't know. I don't like this price action. I really didn't like the price action. It did look like it wanted to go down. I mean, that's a good level and everything, but I mean, I'm almost tempted to look at this short actually on the smaller tick chart. What do you think?
Oof. Yeah, I mean, it still has. I mean, NQ for sure. NQ is still strong.
I mean that, yeah, that'd be where the short sell stop would be right where it popped out of just a minute ago and ran down for a
Mm.
minute. But we pass on that long. Well, oh well. I if it doesn't go any higher, if it doesn't go any higher, I think the small tick chart short is
I'm out.
not a bad idea.
I just took profit on my NQ,
Good.
531.70. I'm not going to give that back. That gives me room to play around with this ES. I can catch this thing, even if I'm a little late on this. I would even, honestly, Brian, I would entertain it up past this big section here. I know it's a
Yes.
late entry, but yeah,
Yes.
this is, yeah,
Short.
it just, when it reverses, it's going to go. It's a
Oh, on the
very,
long
very late
side.
entry.
Oh,
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm still thinking about the short. I think this is a valid short coming up here. If not, then
Okay.
you just missed along. That's all there is to it.
See what it does right here. Oh, it's going to be long. Come on. Now, a failed short here on the S, definitely long. Where are we at on
So you're
our,
talking about it
where's
buying
our,
at like 9?
yeah, it's just, I know it's a really late buy, but
Ugh.
I know. Well, it's a lot of risk.
I feel like I'm just clicking buttons at this point. I've already had a couple of failed little
Little
entries.
attempts.
Uh, I mean, nothing. It's just not setting up right. It's just not doing it.
Uh,
I can't.
now we can come
I don't
down.
like this setup. NQ did set up, but the only entry you really had was above above this little ledge here, and you still took some heat on it. I again, the short is setting up. Do you take it? I don't know. I'd be inclined to think yes. Like now, like yeah. You think about the ES right now is what you think. Like somewhere
The ES, man. You don't want to hear what I'm thinking on the ES. You're gonna think I'm crazy.
what the buy stop
A
in?
break above, yeah, a break above that.
Okay.
I think it's like you said. Now that's if the short fails, which it doesn't look like it's failing.
Seems like a successful short to me.
Mm,
I'm
okay,
sitting on the
that's if
sidelines here. Ooh, oh well. Okay, I'm just gonna pass on every trade today, huh? Looks that way. We'll get one in a second. 6E. I will look at that short. We'll look at short on the 6E.
no. Take a look around. Take my mind off this. I'm a little too obsessed with it. Uh, 6E,
I think I just missed my RTY short.
CL. CL's going straight up. Forget
And
that.
again, I don't think we're outside of range bound territory. I just don't think we are. I think we're probably thinking range bound. I think we're probably definitely thinking range bound. EV
$500
and
in
Q.
silver. Dude, PBR, you are crazy. That's
Isn't
going to
he?
bite you one day.
Isn't he? All right. No follow through on the short, so you might be right.
Again, I know you think I'm crazy, but I would put a breakout above that. I just think it's going to reverse here. I think this is them pulling it down to get long.
Micros. Oh wow. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. That was
I
micros, but
was
that could
I was
also.
thinking we'd sit in some kind of range bound market, Dave. I just didn't. It just
What's Dave?
the
Last
market's
2
just
days, I
moving
was
in the
thinking
most
range
unexpected
bound.
ways.
Book
I was
option.
definitely thinking range bound yesterday. That's for sure. And it's
Yeah, I
not
was definitely thinking range bound yesterday.
and it's not like we didn't. Like it was just that was a crazy. I was thinking range bound yesterday, and we did get the range bound for the most part. Uh, uh, Friday. All right. Let me focus here. Looking at the 6E short.
6E, 6E. Yeah, right
Yeah.
off of it. Yeah, yeah. That could be worth a try.
I wonder if that sets up. I'm gonna try to get that. Try to get ourselves a clean. I just need a couple trades this morning because I do need to leave a little early. CL's looking like a short.
That's overnight high. Yeah, you come back down to that 87 area, 0.87, 6287 on CL. Actually, it doesn't look bad either. Did we miss the six? No, not yet. Yeah, we missed the
Uh,
entry there, Brian.
that one candle setup though is not my cup of tea.
Uh,
I don't think that's a miss. I think the miss was not taking that short I said to take.
yeah, yeah, definitely short.
That's
I
a
just was
miss.
thinking long. I can't. My long bias is keeping me from taking that short. I should have held that stupid micro instead of killing it. Oh well.
It's all right. $500.
I just can't. I can't turn down $500 in a
No,
micro. It's
why?
like I'll take it. I'll lock it in. Now, if anything else, that cost me yesterday. My biases. Missed the longs. Yeah, right, Dave. It's like $500 in a micro. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it. 531.70 to be exact. Although I bet it hits my target. I bet. Let's see here. I'll tell you.
Aggressive target.
I'll tell you where my target was. Oh hell, it's coming to my target. We got the pivot here, so it's probably going to bounce in Q.
Well, the shorts were the way to go.
Yeah, probably still are the way to go.
Don't know if I got much out of it with the pushback on that next couple candles, but we'll get a good trade. Now the 6E might be setting up for me to take that short down here. What's that low? That low is 165, so 160. Yeah, I'm gonna put that sell stop in on 6E. I think that's a prudent thing to do. All right, let's see if we get this long set up here.
Where'd you put your stop in?
160.
155. 160? Yeah, I'll follow you on that.
Oh no, I'm gonna cancel it. Can't have you taking the same 6E trade as me.
Hey, last couple I've done good, and you've been proud of me.
I didn't say it's about to fill us, so let's see. All right, we're filled. Let's see.
Stop above the swing and let it rock. See what happens.
See what happens.
Break of the pivot. And Q's going bye-bye.
Was in R2Y short. Nice, Devin. Yeah, the RTY short was a good one. Kick myself. Devin, if you tell me you're in a short and I see it, I'll tell you where to put your stops so you don't get out too early. I mean, there's a couple of ifs on that, but okay. I was really thinking on the long side here. Now I'm like, okay, where do we break any lower? We kind of think short, huh?
Have to.
I mean, I was looking at the short up here and should have probably taken it.
Wow.
Yeah, I know, right?
Wow.
Well, no
All
more.
right, so much from a long bias, huh?
Not gonna be thinking about that range bound day anymore now.
Nope. Threw everything I had planned out the window.
It's almost like a breakout short. I'm telling you. This is really almost like a breakout. I told you they've been driving it down. I think I'm gonna try that on the ES, put a sell stop just below this like a bear flag entry here. Because if it breaks down, well, you got the long. All right, hold on. Let's think about this. Because this is where it should take a long from. If it, never mind.
No long going on here.
There's your there's your breakout on the short side. I'm gonna take this target off on 6E.
Man almighty, you and I think alike. I literally just did that. I said, I'm about to take this
Pull this
target.
down here
Pull it,
and just
no lose.
get ourselves in a no lose. Yeah. This is setting up to be the long on the ES, but now do you really want the long? I don't know.
I'm scared now. I'm scared.
Well, no, I mean you take a valid long
It
if
is
it
a
sets
long.
up right. I mean, I don't see it setting up just well
Yeah, it is
now.
about long.
Nope, there's the
Nope.
breakout on the short side,
Nope.
like I said.
Nope. 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 Nope.
I
And
should
nope.
put that sell stop.
Nope. Nope.
I'm
And nope.
kicking myself on that one.
Yeah, sometimes we miss them.
Hopefully you guys are
Sometimes we
following
miss them.
along. Maybe somebody took the short on that. That was a nice little breakout short. Stops in the right spot. Yeah, it's about the right spot on the 6E stop. So, worst case scenario, a little tiny loss on that. That's the worst thing that happened on the 6E now. Shoot, man. Where's my short? That was where I thought about shorting. Below there.
Where does this thing bounce? Tell me where. I'm gonna have to. I hate to do this, but I gotta step away. I'll be right back.
Step away. Oh man. Okay. Well, that short was the way to go. There's my 6E, baby. Bring that down to break even. Where do we go on 6E? I target a little bit lower here. That low. And then we kind of have to think all the way back here, all the way down here if it really wants to run on us. That would be the bigger target. That would be the, I want to make everything target. Let's see. If it breaks that low, if it breaks these lows here, we got a good chance at that target. Let's see, that's 780. So I'm going to leave the target here for now, but 780 is in the back of my mind on that one. All right, get in one of these bear flags. Bear flag. Okay, here's another level I got here on the NQ, guys. If we get here and break this, I'll take a little bear flag down here. That's about the only trade I got right now for you. For me too. This should be just about where the long comes from though. Let's look at the ES real quick. Again, same thing on the ES below the pivot. Got to kind of look bear flag. This might be the long setting up here.
Crap. Yeah, I'm just seeing that. I think I'm a little late.
This might be the long setting up. This is the long setting up. Like I said, I'm just going to pass on everything today, huh?
I jumped in on the NQ.
You got it?
Yeah, I did. I just pushed the freaking buy button because I couldn't sit down fast enough. Yeah, I'm long.
Well, there you go. Look at me sitting on
Go,
top
baby.
after.
Now reverse this thing all the way.
Okay, leave me in
Go
the
back up
dust.
to the top, baby.
Just
Go
leave
back to
me
the
in the
top.
dust.
All I did was hit the buy button. I mean, I didn't have time to call it. I missed the ES. That's the one I was waiting for.
Well, all right. So you got the pivot here on the NQ. You got a good level. You got. I still think I might look at the short here on the ES. That's within my parameters of a setup. I mean, target off. I don't know if it's going to go anywhere, but I didn't have it on the right account. I got my target. Let's see which account I'm on here. That one. So I got my target on it. Let's see if this thing continues down. That was a 60. Yeah, no, it's not gonna finish. Well, there's your long. Staying in for you there, buddy. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. No, it's gonna get me. Oh well.
I'm holding this long.
All
I
right.
want to see if we'll give it some room to breathe.
This
See if
is
it
your
gets
long.
get
Stay in
back
it
up
then.
there.
That's almost a buy signal right there with a failed short. I can't do that short.
I just wish I'd caught the ES. The ES is what I wanted, but it's fine.
I was looking at the NQ and I couldn't get in because I was looking at the small tick chart. Didn't find a good entry on it.
Yeah, right when I literally just.
Do I go here? Do I go here? Do I go here? Do I go here? Or do I just press the button like Paul does?
I just coming back and listened to you talking as I was putting my headphones on, and I just looked up. The only chart I had up was NQ, so I just
sometimes
hit the buy button.
Sometimes like see and react. Don't think too much. The short was the idea there, guys. I just didn't. I couldn't say in that trade. Flat on the 6E. Okay, well I thought that 6E would run a little bit more than that. Do we entertain? Let me think about this. Do we think about the CL long? How about that? Because that'd be a break above the pivot. That'd be a break above all kinds of good stuff there. Uptrend-ish, uptrend more than ish. Actually, I actually kind of like that CL long, man. That's not a bad area. If it stays there, gives me a nice little buy stop here above the pivot. If this candle comes with a wick, then I could probably tighten it up a couple more ticks too. I like that. The CL's in a good uptrend.
Where's my? Well, I heard stop filled somewhere. Oh, the 6E trade.
Yeah, it probably just
I
got
was gonna say
abrupt.
what? I said, where did I hear stop filled? I was like, I don't even not in
Uh,
a trade.
I like the CL. I like the CL trade here. There's a lot
I'm
that's
looking
come
at
from here.
CL.
I like it. If it fills me, I think that's going to be a good trade. Let's see. There's a lot to like about it, I think. If this bar stays up, if this bar doesn't stay up, I have to cancel it, obviously. Stick my rules, take my
Just
trades.
broke below that
Take my
50.
trades. Now, I did
Where
say
is
this
this?
when you're gone. I would entertain because of the NQ being down here and all the sellings happen below here. I would entertain a bear flag on the NQ down here. Oh, come on.
Yeah, I'm just looking to see where this NQ could go.
Down.
Yeah,
Where would it go? Down?
378
Down?
maybe.
Well, I mean, if it breaks this level, you're looking at, down to yesterday's Globex low almost.
Yeah,
That's a big
yeah,
that's a big
20.
trade.
Yeah, 180. That's
That's a big trade.
that's about where I had. That's where
I
my
mean, I
my
know we're just
target
passing
was.
that long that set up okay. I mean, the ES long set up good.
Could have held that freaking micro. God, you idiot, Paul.
You idiot.
Oh, what a
You
fool.
idiot.
Yeah, make $500 when I could have made 1,500 on a freaking
All right,
micro.
I'm filled on CL. Let's see if this puppy goes.
Oh shoot, I wasn't even paying attention. Were you long? I missed
Yeah, I
it.
put it in. I just like the
Uh,
level. I was like, if it goes above the pivot, it should stay there and keep going. So not a huge risk trade. It fits in my parameters. It's got the nice little wicks on the bottom. My stop's about where it needs to be. I A lot I like about that. See how it's been trending up, higher highs, higher lows. This is an area that's broken and actually took off from before. So things I like about that one. Again, this was the legitimate long area on the ES and NQ. Just didn't have my stuff ready to go in time to look for it. But I still think I'm looking for the short.
mm,
And
I
this,
I almost chased you on that one. Probably should have. I like that CL too.
there's a lot to like about it. Now let's think. NQ, ES, low tick chart shorts. Yes or no?
Yes, and Q. Yes, yes on the yes too. Same. I mean, there's no indication here that this is going anywhere but south.
All right, I'm putting it on NQ at 92 even,
92 even. Yeah.
and then I'd have to be lower on the ES. It's not doing it. It's going back up.
No, no, it's going up.
Okay,
So now,
best laid plans.
telling you, this damn thing is going to reverse. I
Oh
want to
man,
be
that's
here when it.
short.
There's your short on the NQ. There's your short on your NQ.
Trying to do it, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it is. It is.
Trying to do it.
It's not trying to do it. It's in. It's a short.
There we
I'm
go.
telling you, get in if you're not. Get in.
I did it. I did it. I just don't have
I got
the
target
blinds.
off.
I did too. All
Target
right, so I'm gonna
off
slide
now.
down a little bit. Let's see which one this one's in. There we go. All right.
It's coming to 29. It's being a good
I'm just
target.
gonna grab my target before I can get the chart
20.
back up there.
I'm sorry.
Uh,
24.
24.
24 even. 24 even. Yeah, I think so.
Trying to get that
Don't.
chart.
Yeah, give it some room. Don't
I
get
know.
it.
I'm trying to give it some
Yeah,
breathing room.
I think you got a 24 target out of that.
Really?
I
All the
think
way
so.
down?
That's what. I mean, that's what I'm showing. That's what I'm seeing on the bigger chart. I could be wrong, but
That's a that's a heck of a target.
I don't know. But
Oh
just hold it.
no.
Just lock in
Oh
some
no. That
profit and
CL got me.
lock in some profit. Come on down there. Come on down there. Telling you, you're gonna get your 20. I'm holding for 24.
Okay. That's
I got us pretty. I got a good level. I don't know. Do you see something there, or is it just I have multiple levels
27.
there? So that usually 27. All right. Well, okay.
That seems to make
Let's
sense,
split
doesn't
the
it?
difference. Let's split the difference. 25 and a half then.
Well, if it breaks here, it's going. So let's see.
Yeah, I think your tail is. Yeah, the true test is here. If it busts through this, you got it. There you go. Only took all morning,
Oh
but there's your
wow,
trade. I hope everybody got that.
you're right on that 24.
CL long with B. Ooh,
Oh my goodness, you can try to come back and take my stops. Get on down there. Go on, get take
it's
that
going to
target.
hold this little plateau. It's got to break through this. Come on, baby, break through it.
What are we doing? 27 target.
Hold out for it. I mean, I'll lock in something. Don't give it back. I mean, you're at a grand now. It's a pretty good little trade. If you guys, if you're scared, just get out. Take your money, guys. Don't take your money.
Okay.
I mean, that's a freaking $1,000 trade.
No,
I
that's
mean,
gonna take my target. I'm gonna let it take
yeah,
the
yeah.
target.
No, there's nothing wrong with that.
Boop.
God, I've never heard Brian say that. Brian's usually the one that let's put this thing at 0, let it go all the way down. Here it comes. 10 more points. Come on, you. Oh, come on, don't prove me wrong.
I took my target.
Come on, come on. If it goes around, if it turns around, I'm closing it.
I took my target.
I'm, I'm out. I'm out. I chickened out. Hey, great trade. Now watch it go down to 24.
Yeah.
Well, that should do it for everybody this morning. Pretty good little trade.
Yep. I'm pretty happy with that. Pretty happy with that one. Let's get this on a different account here.
Oh, you missed it, Lulu? Damn.
Pretty happy with that one. That's
Anybody else get it?
that'll
Dave got it right. You
that
got it,
fix
didn't you,
those
Dave?
couple of
PBR, somebody?
few trades.
Jim?
I got this one. That was a stupid
Anybody?
miscue.
Somebody?
Negative 150. I'm gonna trade that one on the NQ next time.
All right. What else I got? Let me switch accounts. I got to trade this one. I got to trade this
I
one.
got one that's. Let me get that next one. Okay. All right. Well, that was a loser on the. If I hadn't had a loser on the CL, that would have been 2 times over, like $1,300 on that one. That would have been done. The
Yeah,
loser on the CL
I,
got
I
me.
guess I guess missing that CL wasn't a bad thing.
No, I mean, you can't tell me that wasn't a setup. You can't tell me
That's all
that.
right.
This is
PBR. That's
not a
still
this is not a trade that you would take. I would take that trade every
no.
day of the
It
week.
was a set.
I mean,
I still, to be
you
honest
can't.
with you,
I mean, you can't predict that one candle takeout.
uh,
I'll take that trade every single day of the week. Every single day of the week. All right. This is the
oh
long
wait,
spot.
Did it get to my
What'd you say?
24? It got down to 30. What do I know?
What do you know? There we
Not
go.
much, obviously.
I want to ask some new
I
people.
was going to say I missed.
Devin,
Oh, Dave.
couple new
Dang.
people here. Did you guys get that any of that
Anybody get
new
that
trades?
NQ short?
We called some really good trades, but took an actual really good trade.
Yeah, called
Devin,
some and took one.
Devin, you guys that are newer to us, and you guys get that short. Just curious.
I mean, the NQ, I only said it like 4 times. Take it, it's in. Take it short, take it short. Jump in now.
um, do we consider the ES short again, huh? It's got to do it now
Uh,
if we're gonna make that decision. Oh, all right, that's fine,
no,
Devin.
no,
All right, well then I'm gonna let it
no.
pass by. I like the short though. I
I
do
do
like it.
like it, but I missed it. I mean, I
Yeah,
wasn't
we just
looking.
that was not quite overbought stochastics, but you had a wick
Yeah,
and small tick chart set up good. Oh
I
well,
just, I just thought I missed it. I mean,
oh well. Can't win them all. Can't win them all. Now we start thinking reversal. Now let's start thinking reverse back up.
I'm still thinking reversal. I'm right now 77, or hell, if you really want to wait reversal, 80. If it really gets above that, I think we're in for a nice little creep back up. Slow creep at that, but a creep. Creep. Didn't get in when y'all did. Did you at least get in? I mean, that wasn't a loser because it dropped a considerable amount, right? You're all right, even if you got in later. I would assume.
Should have.
Yeah, I like that idea.
Yep.
I
Yep.
mean,
Yep. Yep. Yep.
now why
Yep.
just do that and the market just goes dead in the evening?
Oh well, I mean, there's we got plenty of assets. It's not like there's not.
Yeah,
I
but
mean,
you're
we
not
look
going to be
at
trading anything other than maybe NQ and GC. I
6E.
doubt you're not trading. You're not trading ES. That's for
No,
sure.
6E,
You're not trading gold or crude.
GC. I don't
I
know.
mean,
I mean,
GC and NQ are the only two that I've seen worth even trying to trade.
there's a couple good crude trades to be
Maybe a
had. I
crude
mean,
trade. Yeah, that's it.
I primarily focus on GC obviously, but
GC that night has been just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Do we go for another run on
I
NQ?
was just about to say that.
I
Literally
mean,
just about hitting the end
I
of the
still got
chart
that
as I
24
ran.
down there. Still got that 24. But it's hard to
I
short this
can't do
though.
it. I know I can't do it with
Yeah,
this.
really hard to short this.
I'm gonna be
If
patient
anything,
here.
I'm looking.
I'm gonna be a good patient little trader.
You're getting another shot at that CL. I think you were just a little early on the CL.
Yeah, no, well, that was my setup. This is not my setup. So only trade my setup. So I mean, you could try the long from here above that. That
Uh, I
you'd
mean,
end up
if
making
it's a
probably a decent
bigger
amount.
risk, but I mean, a solid close above that pivot would be a little bit more rested, more assuring.
Yeah, I
I
mean,
think as long as you keep
ooh,
dancing
that's
with the
tempting.
pivot.
You're tempting me into that. That's probably a decent trade too.
You see what I
It
see, right? It's
probably
just,
is a decent trade, and that probably would make because that'd be the second. Like they got a running start at this little level.
mhm. I'll tell you
I'm not
what.
doing it.
Can we
I'm
do
not gonna do it
this?
though.
Can I
It's
do this
probably a
in
good trade.
micros?
What's that?
They got CL micros, right? MCL.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Uh,
Okay.
I'm not gonna do
What
it
if I
though.
can do this in micros?
It's just not. CL's not heavy enough like GC it is for me to use
Yeah.
micros. Although you got me sold on those GC micros, that's for sure.
Oh yeah, they pay.
All right.
Get a little
Um, let's
look at
take a
what's going on here.
another RTY long miss. I get focus RTY. Somebody yell at me on RTY. Come on,
Yeah, it's hard to see all these
holler at me.
charts. I can't
No,
look at everything.
RTY. I got. What we got to do is you got to keep your eye on the ES and NQ. Let me focus on the RTY because that we have too many trades that we're missing on RTY that are just easy, perfect trades too. Let me focus on the RTY.
More. I think ES is a long.
Yeah, I mean, I'm again saying we think reversal territory here.
I think ES is a long.
I keep saying I
Your
think we
stop's
think
got to be
reversal
down below
territory.
that 62. Yeah.
Do I want to take a breakout long? I don't think so, but a decent little pullback for a long. Um, you could butter your biscuit and call me fancy.
Fancy.
I don't know. I just
Buddy
Thomas
biscuit,
Thursday.
call me fancy. Fancy.
Butter your
Yeah.
biscuit and call me fancy.
Hmm.
Stupid. What did the guy say to his banker on February 14th?
What does the guy say to his banker on February 14th?
Caught my interest.
Oh, yeah.
uh, where's my Dan comment on that one? Come on, Dan. Huh. That's weird.
If this can't break this pivot here, I'm going to try a long on the ES, I think.
Uh, really?
I said if it can't break the pivot. If it
Why
breaks
is
the
this a
pivot.
place where I was looking at a bear flag on the NQ and I didn't get one? Let me look again. We're back here. As
Nope.
you're right. I mean, if it breaks that
Nope.
pivot, we gotta sell it. Where though? That
Yeah, that's the
that
question.
rally was the one to sell right there. This is almost a situation where you just say press that button, huh?
Yeah, you almost have to.
Golly, I can't get to it fast enough. Oh, no, I can't chase it. I was still on that account that I didn't want to trade them anymore. I couldn't change it to the right account fast enough. All right, well you'd have targets off. Dang it! I was sitting here playing with the wrong chart. I should just press the sell button on this chart. Booger pants. Booger pants. Dang it. I'm okay. It's not the end of the world.
Yeah, I'm not complaining.
Well,
After
if you did, nobody'd listen.
that's the truth.
Tick
Like
squeak
not
maybe.
like it matters.
Tick squeak not
Oh
listen.
no, look. We hit my 24. Oh no. Paul was right.
And then some.
And then some. I think you're going down to what you
Yeah, I'm
said,
trying to think about that.
yesterday's low, overnight low.
This is exactly what I'm trying to think about right now, Paul. Is where do we go? Where do we go to from here?
This is almost, I hate to say it, but this is the same methodology I had this morning. Put on a micro and set a target down there at the overnight low from yesterday, and
Well,
just
that's what I said
let it
earlier.
go
Is
up and down, let it go up and
we
down.
break these levels on the ES and NQ. You kind of have to look at the Globex lows from yesterday.
Yeah, no, the Globex low is strong. I
You
mean, you
have to.
got, let's see, uh, there'll be a stop around 453, then another one at 376, and then 213, and then you got your Globex low.
All right, I'm gonna try to sell this rally then on the small tick chart. I don't know if I'm in the right account, but I don't care. I got a couple accounts ready to go. Let's see if it happens here.
Oh, That's the wrong account.
It's got to set up right though. Got to set up right
That's
because
fine.
again, I'm still thinking if we stay up here, I'm still thinking reversal. So it's got to be a
Mm-hmm.
perfect setup. Come with some wicks. There's a wick. Let's see if we get another one. Give me another wick here.
If we're doing it off the small chart, let it get up to that 77. But I don't think you're going to get that. It's right here, the prior day low.
All right. Well, it's setting up right. It looks like, right?
It is.
And that would be the sell. Let's see what's that low right there. That's
Man, it's so hard to sell this down here, but yeah.
575. No, again, 550 would be the real injury, but that's not it. It's gone. That's no longer set up for me right there. Well, shoot. Okay. Are we thinking reversal territory or still look for the short?
I mean,
I'm
I've
still
been
thinking
thinking
there's.
reversal territory, but it keeps proving me wrong. So
I know. And again, a break back below this level here on the NQ tells me to short it. I'm going to try that on the NQ.
where?
Somewhere around 35.
Oh yeah, down there.
If
Oh
it
yeah, for
if
sure.
it if
That's
it
a whole nother.
if that stays down,
In fact, you know what? I'll put
535.
one here. 35.50 maybe,
Yeah.
or
I mean,
36.
you're ticking around. At that point, you're just ticking around,
Taking around.
ticking
Actually, you
around.
could go a little higher. You could actually go to 36.
You
That low
could.
there.
I'm just watching a big two
Low is
chart, see if it
36 and a
sets up.
quarter.
I've got my finger on the trigger here. It sure does look like reversal, doesn't it?
Yep.
Man, that's I'm putting it in. I'm gonna put that. I'm putting the sell stop in. Um, I mean, this is just a
36.
big
Here it
level.
comes.
I had this as a big level here, so I'm gonna take that risk. If hey, it's an eval, all right. So here we go. It's an eval. I'll
This
switch
is
it
a
over. I'll
PA,
switch
so
this over to it. Yeah, mine's an eval, so I'm willing to take that risk. I think on it.
I'm trying to try it on the PA.
I'll switch it over to the. Um, I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Let me try to switch it to this account I'm on over here. Not gonna try to film me though, is it? If it does try to film me, I think we get a good trade. I mean, there's my sell stop. So, nope. Man,
Almost can take the
it's a
breakout too, you know?
it's a trade either way now.
Right. I think this is a
It's a
bracket here. There we go.
long or the short. It looks like we're gonna hit the short. Short's gonna hit. All right. This is either I'm done trading this account for the day or it makes out.
Come on,
I
baby.
like that though.
Break.
It either makes
Break it.
out or I'm done trading this account for the day. It'd be nice if you made out though there. Come on.
I think you're, I think,
Make
I
that
think,
trade for me. Come on. Let's go. Well, here's the only problem I have is the
I
ES
think I
hasn't
can. I
broken
think
down
I
yet.
can.
So if that ES can break down just a little bit here,
Have some faith. It's
we're
going.
solid.
Come on. Come on.
If the ES can just break down, watch this. ES breaks down, we're in a trade. If not, I'm not even thinking about canceling it if the ES doesn't finish down here.
Tell you what, I'm going to take, there's my target.
ES is trying to do it.
I got,
ES is trying to do it. I'm just trying to do it. Let's see. There it
There we
goes.
go.
Target
There we
off.
go. I got target. So now it doesn't matter. Comes back and
That
gets me.
was
It's a nothing. That was a nothing.
that was a nothing.
That was a nothing trade.
Oh well. Still think it's a short though. But again, now you got either the short. I mean, if you look at the ES here, you could really bracket the ES. You actually could really bracket the ES now, couldn't you?
Yeah.
That's a
Yeah, you
short.
bracket the NQ too. I think you could easily go long
You
above
just missed.
70. I think we were too tight on that stop. We should have
The
left
stop
our
was just
stop
too
back.
tight. That's it.
Yeah, I think the what's the
Stop was
ATR?
just too tight.
Oh hell yeah, 40. It's a 42 ATR right now.
Stop was just too
Yeah,
tight.
we were way too tight. So here's where the argument for micros would come in. You could trade 10 micros and give yourself tons of room,
Yeah, that's true.
or or 8 micros and give yourself tons of room. 10 micros, or the same kind of risk you wouldn't want to take with a mini.
Yeah. Just 5
Didn't you say that?
micro.
Didn't you say that? Was it
Oh,
you that
you
told me
saying I
that the
said something?
Ninjas? Yeah, didn't you tell me that Ninja was coming out with something where you could switch like that to
I
micros
think it was
or?
minis and micros, not micros and minis.
Okay,
Minis and micros. All right, this is not silly. This is silly. That should have been a short.
here comes your breakout.
That should have been a short. That should have been a short. That should have been a short. And you got your breakout on the long. All right. I'm done with one account today. Not on the fun side. On the wrong side of being done with it. Well, I'm done with 2 accounts. I'm pretty much break even for the morning, so we'll see. Maybe get another one here. I don't know, man. This could turn into like a Phobo trade. It kind of looks like it, doesn't it? Still looks short. Really still looks short.
It's still
Do I try
hard
that
to
on a
short it
different
right now.
account?
But
I just don't have an account right now that I
all I got left is PAs, and I don't want to
I've
risk that
tried.
on a
I
PA.
was gonna say I tried my eval. Got that one at all. Maybe I can do
There's your
this one.
short, though.
Here's I
There's your
know.
short.
I told you it was a break. It was Phobo. Fake out to the long side. Short it. Oh no, that account. Oh, shoot, I should have traded that account on the big chart. That's the one I wanted to trade. This one's got to be changed to the one that I have one more eval I'm willing to risk here. That one right there. I want to risk that guy.
I get my son. He needs
All
to
right,
get.
let's think about my 6E short.
There's your short
Now we're at
again.
a
There's the
we're at a
breakout short.
we're at a level.
Took that breakout right there.
Huh?
Good. I'm looking at this NQ, man. It's just hard to short it down here. I want
Double bottom possibly. This level's so strong for me too. It's like for ES and NQ, but ES sitting right on a strong level with the pivot and everything. I wanna short it here. I really do. I did short it here. Just lost on it, and it went my favor anyway. I don't know. I think if you can stomach that trade, you're crazy or good, one or the other.
I got some ticks to burn. I'm gonna try this
I mean,
see.
I mean, look at this. You got the short, maybe got a target, comes back, takes your stop. gives you the perfect short, but I mean, re-entry on that's hard, really hard to do. I don't think
What would you say about a double? What do you say about a
double
double bottom
bottom
down here
possibly.
for a
Yeah,
long?
yeah. I
Yeah.
mean, if we don't break down any further, I think we take the long. That's I mean, this would be reversal territory, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is what I've been looking at. I keep doing it, squeezing the chart in, saying, well, this is the area. This actually is a little bit lower than the area I wanted, but that's why I had that level right around 544. Okay, I'm sold on that. Let's look at that long. They're getting a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders on the NQ.
Mm-hmm.
Small
I'm
tick
liking
chart.
it.
All right, well that's an eval, so I'm gonna give that a shot. It's it should
Oof, look at that
should
instant
jump right
target.
in. Oh man, it skipped. Look how far it skipped
Inst-
my entry. Holy crap!
I got instant target.
Instant target, and it's gonna take my stop.
Yep,
It
came
filled
back
me
and got
late.
me. $40.
Dang,
Yeah,
I
instant
want to stay
target
in
on
these
that. I think
trades. Come
something
on.
spiked. Yeah, well, that's okay. At least we're not losing. Hey, you don't want $40? Send it my way. Sorry, I stepped out for
I
a
wish
minute
I'd
and
stayed in
missed
that.
what you said. I don't remember what he said, Dan.
Oh, my
He said
joke.
something about you were supposed to come back.
It
He
was
said a
my
joke. He told a
yeah,
joke.
it was
Yeah,
my stupid
and you
joke
didn't
that
comment. That's what it
yeah,
was.
Dan was supposed to comment on my dumb joke.
Dan was supposed to comment on the joke.
I can't tell it again or Paul slap me. You
You know,
have to
one 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 time is enough.
wait for tomorrow's joke.
One time is enough.
You get one a
Where's
day.
Tom? Is Tom here today? Yeah, he's here. He talked. Can't
You
remember
get
if Tom.
one a day. Man, I wanted to stay in that long. Should have
Yeah,
just pulled
it
my
just came
stop just a
back.
little
I'm
bit further
telling you.
back.
Well, okay, this thing's got like a 49 freaking ATR, and we're trying to trade it with small stops. It's not going to happen.
There will be more
You
opportunity.
got to
Then
You got to let it
making fun of my
breathe.
jokes is like trading. There's always another one coming
Always
around.
another
There's
opportunity.
always another opportunity. He
Always.
knows that too.
Yes. Plenty of them.
Mm.
Unfortunately for us, plenty of them.
Unfortunately, I don't know. I think I keep it entertaining somewhat.
Yes, he does that.
Oh, this is killing me. My stop. This is just it just
I know.
burns me on that stop, man.
It was the
That
long,
was
and
I had my
we
stop
got burned out on the stop. I did too.
just a tip. It just it filled me on my target, but it didn't fill me. It didn't. I had my buy stop in here. But it skipped me all the way up to 19 as my entry.
Are you canceling that 6E? Because I have it on too.
No, no. If this is
You
true
leave it
reversal
in?
for the ES and NQ, then that 6E is going down, buddy.
Okay. I don't care. I got plenty of ticks to burn, so
Well,
I can take a
I'm
$200,
kicking
$300
myself for not
loss.
trying to figure out a way to stay in that NQ long.
Might get another shot at it.
No, this is it. This is the long. Stay in the long if you guys are in it. Anybody that's in this long, stay in it. I don't care who you are. I don't care who you are. Stay in this long. Fight through it. Don't get scared of the wicks. Fight through it. Figure out. You know what I could actually think about down here now?
I don't think the real reversal long is above 670.
I know.
You could get
I'm
long.
thinking 1, 2, 3 reversal.
Mm. I don't think you've missed it yet. I
I'm
really
thinking that
we
this.
missed the
Did I
early
put this one?
entry.
I put this one on the eval. I did put that one on the eval. That's a man. That's a big trade. That's a big boy pants trade. But
Here's a thought. I'll do it. I'll do it in
it's just
micros, but I won't do it.
well, it's an eval. So I mean, yeah, you're pretty much guaranteed based on prior swing. You're pretty much guaranteed a target if it breaks here. I wish I'd figured out a way to stay in lower. That's what I wish I'd figured out a way. That'd been a nice little trade. Now go on. 10:30 reversal. Let's go. 10:38 reversal. They try to do it at 10:30. 1026. Okay. Well, at this point, that is a lower tick chart short. If it pushes down further, I'll take the lower tick chart long.
Yeah.
It's got to go a little bit further down though for me to think different than this being reversal. I mean, I'm not thinking different than it being reversal. I mean, this is definitely reversal territory. Especially it keeps pushing back above this level. Somebody's accumulating some contracts here. Now, are they accumulating short contracts or long? I don't know. I really don't care either. Oh man, dude, we got to look at these. You got to tell me every day. RTY, RTY, RTY. Watch it. Just several buttes here. Right after the open short, long, nice. This short that I was looking at. This short, perfect. This long's the one that I would have been looking for. This long's almost perfect. Can't miss those on RTY anymore. That's just RTY is just too easy when it swings like that. Okay, Paul's like, yeah, I'll tell you to watch
I'm not
RTY
even
more.
looking at the RTY, dude.
Listen, yeah, that should be my job. Tell me to watch
I don't. I
RTY.
can't. Yeah. Okay, I'll tell you to watch RTI.
Just remind me to keep my eyeballs peeled for RTY.
Oh,
The only thing I don't
look
like
what
about this 6E short is this wick just below on this last candle. 250. And this low here
62.
is
Where
260.
you
So I'm at 255. All right, well, I'm
at?
filled. Let's see if we
Oh,
get.
we're in now. Yeah.
I'm filled. Let's see.
Let's see what
And if that
happens.
doesn't go my direction, uh,
That's not too much
I
of a
only have
risk. It's
really
only
one account
less
that
than a
I'm
couple $100
really
risk.
only have one account that I'm really willing to trade left.
I
Oop.
mean, you're only risking $170. That's it. That's the max loss on that. Who
Yeah, no,
cares?
it's not. It's not a. No, it's just this account needs to. Oh, which account am I in? Let me check that real quick.
This NQ
No, that account's okay. I mean,
above 60,
it's not a big
70.
loss. If I take the loss, I can still trade it. I think I'm not sure which one that one's at. Man, do I keep that buy stop in on the NQ? That's the question. I'm like the longer this sits here without pushing down again,
I was going to say,
the
I
more
like the
I'm
buy
thinking
stop
that
up
this
there.
is returning back to the north side.
70.
That 60 is gonna bite me. I knew I should have been 2 ticks lower. I knew I should have been 2 ticks lower on that 60. I was looking at that right
69, 70.
before we got filled.
Oh, I'm not even looking.
Hey, well, we're in a trade, so whatever. We should have just been a tick. We should have been a couple
I'll
ticks
take the
lower at
loss. I don't care.
45. Would have been the
I'm
entry.
not even looking at it. It's set where it is. If it either takes me or doesn't, I don't.
Well, maybe it'll finish down and come down and grab. Maybe, I don't know. Crazier things have happened, right?
Here comes this freaking.
That was the short on the NQ and ES. Obviously,
Yeah,
but
I just think
if it can't go any lower, we've got to think buy,
another
right?
double bottom. We got to think
A
long.
triple bottom. Well, that's what I'm saying. Is I'm considering looking at popping this down to
Another
a
triple bottom.
buy lower. Going down, if we set up like, I mean, right now you could look at 514.
Yeah.
514.
Yeah.
I just, that's not an A plus setup for me. That's just not an A plus setup. That's in. You'd be in
Okay.
though. You'd be in. That's
I was going
good.
to say, you sit there and tell me it's not an A plus setup. I take it.
you got targets off. Good job.
I got targets off, thank God.
Eh,
It's like, okay,
eh.
tell me after the fact. You know when
I
you
was
say
trying
something,
to do
just
it.
take it.
I almost put my
Another freaking scalp.
entry in
Look
there.
at that. Another scalp's going to come down, and it's going to
Nah,
now
you
it's going to
might be
pop.
good on this. Nope, you're not good. Yeah, you actually might
Nope.
be. You might be good on this.
Well, maybe.
Actually, you
We'll
are
see.
good on this now. That's a good one. Good job. There you go. Now I'm gonna get bit on the 6C. That's gonna be A plus setup. No, it wasn't quite an A plus setup for me. On a small tick chart is a good setup. Absolutely, good trade, Paul. There you go.
Thank you. Go,
Did
baby.
not put
I want this
pull
thing
the
to come up here
trigger,
and
Brian.
break.
Pull the trigger. You did it.
I'm
Now I have
trying
to
to
be
get this
this
thing to
lowly.
break.
I have to be this lowly person that gets the reversal.
Go.
I told you that 6E was gonna bite me, and I'm gonna have to.
Go,
No,
mama,
it's
go.
not past my loss limit. I can still trade that account.
Oh, the 6E bit me. I don't
Yeah,
care. I'm up
that's
freaking.
the well. This is the account that I've taken my losses on today. So, and I'm still under $500 in losses. Well,
Oh, this is
this
huge,
138
baby.
here was my. Oh
This is
no, way
another
up
huge
there.
one. Here we
It's
go,
gonna get
baby.
me. Oh no, I gotta do a big stop. Big stop.
Nice.
Go. Whew. My heart
Oh, you got
pounding.
in
You're
late,
in the
didn't you?
long big time, and I'm sitting here like a peasant waiting for the. I can't do it, Paul. This is gonna bite me. This hurts.
Oh, you don't chase. Go, baby, go. Go, 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 go.
Go. No, you're supposed to go up. Oh, this is gonna get me, Paul. Well, that was technically a reversal entry. You just gotta have a massive stop on this.
How'd you get it? You got it. Oh, you got it at the bigger
The
stop.
break,
I
yeah.
don't know. I don't know. Hold on, Brian. It's not. Where's your stop at?
I'm just debating on where to put it. I
49,
mean, I should be
49.
like there. Is where my stop should really be.
Your
It should be
real stop is
like there.
no. Your stop's not bad. I don't think.
Oh, it's just
I
scaring
mean,
the crap out of me,
look.
man.
If you're scared, you get out with a small loss, or you can get out with a win now.
Get out with a small win.
Yeah. I mean, don't
Well,
let it turn into a.
now you
There
could
you
use
go.
this little spot
There,
as a stop.
there you go. Now
Hey,
you're
there we
good.
go.
Now you're good.
All right, keep going. Don't
Ah,
come back and take my stop. Keep on going.
dude, this could be another $1,000 trade for me. Two
You
bangers.
already have $1,000
Who said
on a
this crap is
trade.
hard?
Trading's hard, man.
Who's in this with me?
One,
Who got in when I got in?
149. Somebody had to. 149.
Nobody. Okay. Or even if you got in when Brian got in, it's still a good trade. You're still in.
Yeah, it's a win.
All right.
For now, I mean, I'm gonna tick it a couple ticks tighter on my stop just because I want to actually have not something more than a scalp this time out of it. All the way up, at least there for a
All the
target,
way up.
maybe. Well, this might end up being $1,000 trade for me too, buddy. Just so you know. Just so you know. If you don't
If
know,
you
now
know,
you know.
then you know. Now you know.
If you don't know, now you know. Nobody did that with us.
Ooh, this is
That's called
huge.
winning.
Oh
Winning.
shit! I gotta stop. I gotta stop. Oh crap! I gotta kill this trade.
Because you're making too much.
Yes. Shit.
P8.
All right. I'm out.
Yeah.
I'm out.
See,
I'm out.
we think
Damn.
differently on that one.
I
I'm
forgot
going
all
right. I'll
about
wait a
that.
couple weeks to
No, I'm
pay
not
up.
going through that. I'm not going through that again. Tell me I got to make $12,000 because
I'll
I
wait.
made too much money.
Well, I'm confident I can make it, so I'll wait.
No, 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 no.
10 grand payout at one time and blow that
Homie
freaking
ain't
account
playing.
up.
Homie ain't playing that.
Blow that freaking account up. All right, where do we go? We're going all the way back up, or is this gonna be a pivot bounce?
I don't have an eval to trade. I wish I did. Like
all the way back up or pivot bounce? Is this true reversal?
I think you pivot.
I mean, if I were really hard about this, I could target all the way up here. That would be like that.
I think
right
if it gets do this, let it get above the 89 there, and then just put your thing at the 89. If it comes back, gets you. If not, breaks through the pivot.
that would be the Mac Daddy target up there, but we'll see.
And that sucks. I had to kill that trade. What a bummer, man. You have to kill a
You should
freaking.
have put it in another account. Put a
Can't get in that.
little
I'm not
stop
getting
up
in
here a
up
little bit.
here. There's no way.
You can't.
I don't have anything.
No, I mean You should taking a breakout with me in a different account. Is what I'm saying.
Oh yeah, I could have done that. Yeah, that's
You should have
true.
taken a. Let's see if it just holds here. If it just holds right here on the upside, I should be a tick below that candle. But to be honest with you, that's a
One
low
tick
of
below that would probably be smart.
91. So I should be at 90. 90.
How do you
Never
how do
mind.
you lock your thing on the screen, your data box?
What'd you say?
How do you lock your data box on the screen?
Right click. Always on top.
Always on top? Okay.
Oh, I gotta put your VWAP on. I forgot about that. I need to put your VWAP
I
on.
sent it to you.
Remind me to do that tomorrow if you don't mind. I got a
Where
lot
is
going
the
on this morning.
Oh, here we go. This is what I wanted.
All right, small tick chart pullback. Do we really think this is a reversal? I mean, obviously there was a small tick chart short. If we think this is a reversal, we're above the 89 on the ES with the big tick chart. Still trending down, but we're staying above this strong level now on the NQ. I would almost be tempted to look at the long because this is where the long came from. Do you want to try it? Think about a small tick chart, or do we just stick to the big tick charts now that we're doing pretty good?
I mean, at this point, honestly, I think I probably need to take a break. It's just like I've
I
had
have
a
one account I can't trade. I
freaking
have
amazing.
one account, two. All right, so I got two. I really have. I mean, I have that one account that's down 400 on That's my loser account that I can trade right now. That's about it. I'll try one more shot on that just because that's an eval. I'll just put everything on that one account. My cash is green. Everything else is green. I'm not gonna touch CL probably, so I can leave that account there. I got Yeah, that's it. This is an account I can trade, so I'm gonna trade this account. That's about it for me. Man, that 6E bit me. That should have been a good trade too. Everything about that says it should have been a good trade.
Yeah, that bit me.
Long or no? Come on.
All the way up. Long on
NQES. I don't care.
NQS, Yeah.
It's going back up.
Yeah.
I missed it. Again, I don't care about this eval. So why am I not trading that? I'm looking at my accounts with profits. And I should be looking at this eval and being like, screw it. Press the buy button.
I jumped in. I hit the buy button. It's PA, baby. Let's go. Another PA.
Oh, well, you're braver than me today for some reason.
I mean,
Usually I'm
this
the one that's like, all
going up.
right, hold my beer and watch this shit.
Going up. There we go.
Jocap, what's the question? Big tick chart or small tick chart? While Paul's in this trade and I'm not.
Was your NQ entry based upon the big tick chart or small? Which one?
My entry or Paul? My entry is based on the big tick chart. Paul's was based on the small tick chart.
On the small tick chart. Well, okay, no, I take that back. It was based off the big tick chart, knowing that it was gonna reverse up. I just took the early entry on the small.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
no. So to clarify this, let's be real with Jocap, so there's no confusion. There was not a setup on the big tick chart for the long.
No, there was not. There was
Okay?
not.
Obviously, the setup was back here for a long trade on the big tick chart. Although we were thinking this is reversal territory, which it is, and I'm gonna miss this trade with you, but who cares? Although if we come back here to, I got everything on that stupid account. On that account. If we come back here to the actual entry, it was based on the small tick chart being oversold, hooking up. Okay, we can't trade. I can't trade the big tick chart with one wick. I can't do it, and it's not oversold. I mean, if I'm the only time I go refer to this smaller tick chart, which guys, I mean, at the end of the day, we are never referring to the small tick chart unless it's a deep, deep trend,
We see, yeah,
or we
we
see
see
something
it.
like this and say this is complete reversal. Let's take the trade on the small tick chart because you're not going to get it on the big tick chart.
Right. And that's in that scenario, if you wait for the big tick chart, you're going to be late. Which was, I mean, the difference was like Brian taking the breakout on the big tick, the actual entry, and me getting in earlier on that other one. But everything's based off the big tick chart. Everything. Probably a little confusing, but it's not. It really isn't once you figure out how to look at it. Does that make sense, Jim? Are you? I would tell you, Jim, honestly, if I'm just my recommendation, knowing you, I would practice on just taking clean setups on the big tick chart.
Yes,
You will have a much higher win rate doing that than you will trying. The problem with the small tick chart
don't
is
trade
you're
the
going to
big.
get a lot of false entries.
Don't trade the small dude. Jackcap, Jim. This is why we switched to the big tick charts because your entries are so much more clean. You have less entries, way more defined entries, but they're usually really good entries when you follow a couple simple rules. And that's why
Yeah,
we did that. That's why we spent that
I think.
month and a half
Yeah,
making this. Does
I
that make
do. I
sense,
think the majority of people in here
Jackcap?
should be doing that. The majority of people in here should be
Don't
doing that.
don't look until you get winning. Until here, look at it this way. My big tick chart trades are running about 87% win rate. Okay,
Which
until
is
you get over
huge.
80% on the big tick chart, don't even look at the little tick chart. Take them off. Don't use them. Don't use them. I'm gonna go back in old teaching mode now, and I don't want to do that. But I do that for you, Jim, because I care about you and I want you to do this freaking
I mean,
right.
look at where's Tom. Tom's the one, right? Tom didn't
Oh, me and
big
his
tick change.
conversation. I had a conversation with Tom. He's so much more relaxed
Yeah,
now with the big tick charts. He's
ton
like, bruh,
ton more relaxed, right? You're not trading
so
out of
much more relaxed.
desperation. You're waiting for your setups. Yeah, they're not all going to win. I get it, but hey, it's part of
Not
trading.
everyone's, but your probability of success on a big tick chart goes through the roof compared to a smaller tick chart. You get too many false entries.
Right.
Too many.
And the reason that I was okay with that when we were doing it the other way around was because I knew that I was taking every single one, and I was taking a lot of
Well,
losses,
you're taking $150
hoping for that.
losses, and then
Yeah,
your
trying to
one
trying to get
$500,
the
$600 one win made up
right.
for
Would get it all
three of
back.
those $150
But that's not
losses.
for everybody because you got to be real comfortable with being able to take losses. Most people take four losses in a row, $100, $150. They're going to be like, oh crap, I can't trade. And then they start doing
Hey,
dumb
Paul,
shit.
let's trade.
Yep.
I don't have much time left.
Oh, you got to go. I forgot. You got to go.
I gotta go. So, am I trying reversal? Is this really it? Do I need to try to get along here? I mean, let me see. Let me see how far this is. Like, is this one of those? Do I blow the account, blow the eval, or try to pass it situations? Let me see which one this is. Okay, that's on that. Uh,
Increase,
oh
decrease,
shit! I'm in the same
delta.
spot. This is definitely this one. This exact eval is blow it or reset tomorrow.
Oh, it's going to reset. Well, then we can be aggressive. But
Let's
hold
look
on just
at
a second
that.
because you
Hold
got
my beer and
decreasing
watch
delta.
this.
Just
Let's try to figure this one out. Let's see where I'm at.
hold my beer.
I need pretty much all of it. I haven't traded this one that much. I've been bouncing up and down. It's almost dead ass break even.
Yeah, I hesitate to say it live, but I can tell you a way to do it.
Huh?
I said I can tell you how to do it because you're right at
Ten
you could
contracts,
literally just you could do the old tick century
seven
style.
contracts, and
Just literally start putting just start buying one mini Let it come down. Let it go against you. Just
All right,
dollar cost average down
here's the
till it
screwed up thing
returns,
about
till it
it.
hooks.
Here's the screwed up thing. I've been so up and down with this one account that I
You don't
still
have a lot of
have
trail
a 2000 a $2,200
trailing.
trail drawdown because I've been so exact with this account that it was up to five. I mean, it made it all the way up to.
I mean,
I think
right
it was
now,
five 2,500. All right, yeah, no, let's. This is what is it? Today's the third. Yeah,
today's the
I mean,
third.
all right. Tell me what to do. Let's do it. Let's pass this
All
account.
right.
Put every account.
Uh,
Just trade every single asset class right now. Take the 6E
yeah,
short with
right.
it.
Just take a 6E short with it. There you go.
Take that 6E
I
short
mean,
with it.
NQ is long.
I know.
NQ is long, so
All
you
right,
could
this is a
literally just
passer.
let it come back down. You could
Guys,
take a. You could
don't follow me on this. This is a. I'm gonna try to
float.
pass this or get it close enough to passing that because it's gonna renew.
You taking that? You're gonna say you're gonna try the 6E again,
Yes. Yes, we're
dude.
reversing on the indices, so why wouldn't 6E continue its drive back down? I don't see any reason I wouldn't try that.
All right, I'll try with you. Damn it.
Nope, never mind.
It's not.
It
This thing's
failed.
not. This. Yeah, I was gonna say this is a
All right,
long.
give
It's
me
not.
give me the trade.
Um.
This is the hold my beer and watch this trade. All right, hold on a second. Let me 7 contract silver, Kevin J. Kevin,
There you go.
hey Kevin,
That'll work.
did you get signed back up through the new process? Call me. We need to talk. I'm gonna have some time later. Let's there might be some things we could do based on what we're gonna try to start doing.
You could literally go long here and just.
Kevin's our compliance lawyer, by the way, people. For when we do need one, when we need one, he's there. He's gonna be there for us.
Can he be our criminal lawyer too?
I don't think he can. Wait, I've
Because
got a
it's a
good one.
crime what we're doing to this market
Don't
today.
worry about me. I got a good criminal lawyer.
Well, it's a crime what we're doing to this market today. We should be arrested for this.
Making money. All right, help
Did
me
you
get
go
this
long
passed.
when I told you to?
Okay. Now?
I told you can go long one now. Don't do it now. Don't do it
Oh,
now.
thank you.
Yeah, I did. I just said it. I went with you.
What? What? I'm trying to
Okay, you're
pass
too
the
busy. You're
account.
too busy talking.
I'm trying to
Oh
pass
yeah,
it or
no,
blow it.
I'm telling you to trade for and trading with you just so to blow it. Come on.
Blow it and win it. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna blow the account. Oh, I guess I should blow it though, shouldn't I?
Well, I mean, if you don't get it, you should blow it. I mean, if by the time you got to leave, you should put 10 contracts on and go one way or the other because either way, it's going to
It's soon be basically
reset tomorrow. Yeah.
same value it's at right now.
Yeah, you can't do nothing now.
Virtually sitting at 50,000.
Momentum is waning here. It's shifting to the down. Delta's increasing. Yeah, you can't do anything right now.
Oh God.
This is possibly
Alright,
going to be
let's
going
figure this one
short.
out. I mean, look, I got a $2,000 wiggle room, so I can take a $2,000 risk and try
But
to
the
pass
problem
this.
is this is going to go short right now. You can't buy this. I mean, I couldn't buy it.
Don't tell me what I can and can't do. Don't you tell me what to do. All right, let me go to the
Don't you
restroom. I'll
tell
be
me
right
what to.
back.
You're not my
You're
father.
not my daddy. All right. This will be my only trade left of the day. Trying to, I don't even call it a trade. It's just gambling. I'm gonna try to.
Can't do anything right now. This thing is no man's land.
You buy it up here.
Yeah, yeah, up there. If it gets
Why do
up
I
there,
care
right?
about this one? Wait, seriously, I might as well just put it on both, huh?
Yeah, good. Yeah.
I mean, again, if anybody is watching online or anything like this, this is an eval that needs to be passed or blown up, so it gets reset. So don't follow me on this stuff. Now, RTY is actually going to set up for a trade, though. Do it on all three accounts. Hit my 7 contracts. Or do it on all three indices.
Go big. Go big or go home.
Let's see. I have a 3 contract, 2 contract, 2 yeah, that's by my math. That's 7. That would be go big, go home, wouldn't it? Right here.
That would
RTY is
work.
breaking down again. Okay, can't do the RTY yet. I mean, this breaks up again here. This is low, higher highs, higher lows. The old school trend definition. Reversal territory possibly. If it stays up, if it doesn't stay up, then I cancel the trade. But nope, not
The
seeing it.
short. It is a short at this point.
Yep, should have probably shorted that one. That's step away. Well, they are trying to drive it back down. Wow.
They are. Well, okay, they come back
Should
down there. We'll take it along again.
okay. I got a little bit
That'll be.
longer.
There's your thing.
I
Yep.
got a
Let
little
me go
bit
use.
longer
I'll
here.
be right back. I'll be right back.
Still like the 6E short. Did it fill me and stop me out again? Or? No, couldn't have. No. Yeah. That's a not a very big risk on 6E. Do I want to fill my number of contracts though with 6E and not want something that's going to give me more juice? I still think we look for long though. This lower tick chart setting up for a long. ES is setting up for a long right there. That would be a buy stop there. So definitely a level. All right, we'll see. There's that. Didn't get into the NQ. Let's see if it goes. It's a definite level. Should have gotten in the NQ. Should have tried it. It's gonna get me. It's gonna get me. Wicked me in. Well, that was probably the same high. Let's see. Got a high here. Well, that candle started up. Maybe we got it. Nope. High there of 68.50. That one made it to 68.50. This is a long level. There's my target. I got one of my thingamajiggies on that one. I should have gotten that NQ as well. Now run for me. Okay. We got a trade on our hands. That was actually a really good trade, too. If this runs now, a target up here, maybe. Maybe this is the one that runs all the way back up. I don't know. I'm going to be aggressive. Going to be aggressive. This is a make or break on this one. Lower tick chart's getting a sell signal. If that fails, then the buy is. There we go, baby. There we go. Turn that around real fast. Now break this little wick here, and you've got some power in behind you, I think. $73.50. Break that, then we're definitely going all the way, going back up to here at least. And then if it breaks that, I mean, if it breaks that, you target. You got to target where it came from. We'll see if this goes up any higher. Then I think I've got to do the aggressive target. It's not going to though. Okay, all right.
Just
Well,
coming back down.
I got it on the ES. Should have gotten on the NQ and the ES. That would have been a good $1,000, but $75 now. All right, one more shot at this. All right, Paul, it's getting real here because I can't trade this count the rest of the day. This is
All
go
right,
big or
well, we
go
got to
home
do it. We got to
time.
do it. Hold on. All right, let's hear. I'll show you how to do it.
Give me a trade.
Let it come. We'll do some NQ.
I'm doing just NQ.
Yeah, just if we can get you
All right.
go.
You kind of want to go long, don't you?
Yeah, you want to go long. You should just start layering in. Put like buy one, let it go against you, buy another one, buy another one, buy another one until it
So either
hooks.
make it or break it.
Yeah.
Go one contract. No ATM.
No ATM, buy one contract. Let it come back against you, buy another one, buy another one, buy another one until it hooks. And when it hooks, if it runs, it's over.
All right. Well, there's going to be a buy on one.
Oh, there you go.
I mean, one. I'm in one long contract. Then I'll buy another one. What?
Right below there, yeah, right.
Yeah. Oh, further down. That'd be down here.
The problem is this. Well, it's got a hook right here. Turn, turn, turn,
Yeah, I mean,
turn.
it's either again go big, go home, blow the account, or make the money.
Don't try this at home, people. There it
I
goes.
think
There it goes.
I think
There it goes.
the disclaimer's been in plenty that this is an eval that I'm trying to.
There you go. Just don't let that come against you. Just because you could always get back in. Go ahead and bank the dollars, right? Bank a couple $100, let it come back, grab another one, grab another one.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Do that 10 times, you've passed the account. Hacking 101 there, scalping 101.
I mean, I'm. Sure does look like they're trying to build something up here, though, doesn't it? Let's see. It really looks like this is turning into reversal territory. I mean, you almost look at buying above this, huh?
It's trying. It is
Putting
definitely trying.
another
It's
contract in up here. Again, full disclosure.
add
Don't
another
trade
one.
without
If it
stops
comes,
at
this,
home. I never do this unless it's eval restoration time.
yes, this is just trying to
Eval,
pass one because it's going to reset
it's gonna
anyways.
reset anyway. Just get her past or blow her up. Either way, I'm gonna come back at 50,000. I gotta tell you, if the ES stays above the pivot, I'm extremely happy with the long. RTY is setting up for a pretty decent long too. If you guys really want to take a trade, that's my level. That's my level on RTY.
That's my jam.
This is my level. And that's the same account too, so there we go. That'd get me more contracts. I mean, again, it does scream kind of reversal to the north side here, so. And it's staying above this level. This is the level I had all morning on the NQ, so if it can stay above this level, I think we got a good chance on this. Yep, we're gonna push down. I'll blow this puppy. Blow
Add
this
another count.
popsicle stand.
Add another contract.
Huh? Add another
Add another
contract?
contract. Yeah.
Add another contract. Right now?
Yeah. Hey.
Say when. Say when. Little Doc
Oh, I'm
Holiday.
waiting. I'm waiting to see if it hooks.
Say when.
Be quick. Be ready. Because if it
RTY
breaks,
is a
you're gonna.
real long.
If
People
it breaks, you got
there.
to kill it.
RTY is a real long. GC setting up for a real short too. That double bottom earlier on GC. If it wasn't so hard to get into, I think I would have tried that. DC's a long too. I've seen this price action before, and they're gonna push it down to pull it back up.
Let's pull it back up. Yeah, that's why I was telling you the dollar cost average. Just
Yeah, no.
because when it
How do you want
bounces,
it? What do I do? Put a buy limit down here?
I just hit the freaking market button.
Oh, that's two. Ooh, that's not on the right one. I need to have this on a. What's that price I want to do it at? Maybe down here at like 510. Put another buy limit in there. I mean, I get $2,000, so if I could DC that to there, that almost would be a guaranteed win, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that would
Between
offset
it
your
would be
cost
because it
entry.
bounce. It would have to almost bounce
Yeah.
enough at that point to give you a profit target.
Problem is
Why is
you
it putting
don't
in
want
my
to.
2 orders? Oh no, 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 no. I want no ATM. I want one contract.
All right,
Back
I'll
at
be right back.
510.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Put a buy limit in. Okay, there we go. That's pretty much the area I wanted at. So if that RTY makes out, people, that's a real trade. RTY is a real trade. By the way, real trade. GC, if you can do MGC, that's setting up for a double top short. Um, Obviously, you want to have your bias to the long side on GC, but that is setting up for an nice little overextended. I got too many irons in the fire right now. I like this one. This is a real trade. If it sets up, put your buy stop where I have it, Tom. Now again, this is the eval I'm trying to pass, but if this comes with a wick now, and it turns around from here, this is a real RTY trade. It's in my this is my setups on RTY. 4 or 5 candles, all sit around the same spot. If this stays up, it's got to stay up now. If it doesn't stay up, then nope, never mind. Let it get lower.
You got
I
some
got a couple grand to play with
momentum.
on this. Let's see if it works out for me. This will be it for me though. I mean, I'm green on my good accounts. The accounts that I want to be green on, I'm green on. So I'm not really worried about this.
This is how not to trade 101.
But Tom, even if I do have to leave, anything down here. Okay, there we go. We got two contracts. Let's see. I'm gonna blow the account or I'm gonna make some money.
I think if this thing gets above green, you have to.
Huh? Add another contract.
You got to keep adding in contracts.
Add another
Come on,
contract.
turn right here. Turn.
Right now.
I don't think. Doesn't look very promising. This thing's probably going down to the
It's a
bottom.
real short, but and the 6E's setting up is real short too. Nah, this is gonna blow the account. Oh well, there it is.
You know what? You know what you do? Kill it, and turn around and put like 10 contracts short.
Really?
So try to get it all back.
I can't do this in front of people, man.
No, we don't want to do this. That's not
That's
trading. This is 100% gambling.
I mean, this is a bona fide setup coming up here, though, on the ES and the NQ.
It is. It is.
That is a bona fide setup, people. For the long trade. That is a real long trade setting up in front of your eyes.
Let's see here. I will probably take this if it
That's
sets
actually
up.
a real long trade setting up. Now it's really setting up for a good long trade. Give it 20 more ticks here. Watch. All right, if this stays up now, especially ES, look at ES is looking pretty. If this stays up now, that's a real long right there. That is a real long if that sets up right there. That is a bona fide setup, people. And now it's setting up on the NQ. You're getting this is I don't know if anybody wants to look at this, but that's a real long setup. It's got to stay up. If the candles stay up, if this candle stays up on the ES and this candle stays up on the NQ, that's a buy. And I'm gonna hit it on the ES with this account, so that'll put me at my max number of contracts.
Probably put you over your max, yeah.
That'll put me at that's gonna put me at my drawdown limit too. So either way, it's gonna be a win or go home trade. Do I want to keep it? Whatever. It's an eval. I gotta. I think Gray's misinterpreting what we're talking about on that.
Oh.
He didn't see the. Oh, there it is. Account blown. Womp womp womp. That one will come back tomorrow. All right, I'm done. That's it. It's gonna turn around and come back and watch.
Oh,
That's the trade. I'm telling you, this is long.
Yeah, I got it on the ES.
I'm telling you, it's a long. I just didn't have an account I could trade. Everything I wanted for my real accounts are green, so if I'd waited just a little bit lower for that buy stop on the
You'd have got it.
That would have been money. Just a few ticks lower on that buy limit would have been just a couple points lower instead of 10 being in at even 500. There it is. Hopefully somebody got it. You guys get those long trades? I've been screaming that for a minute. That is the long trade. I just blew the account, so it'll reset tomorrow. I don't have one to trade right now. Everything else is 5, 4, 5, 600 green. So there it is. That's it for me. That's my day. I'm done. Gots to go. You want to put charts up here? Are you gonna stay? Are you gonna stay around?
I'm gonna walk away. What do you? You're leaving, aren't you?
Oh no, I gotta go.
Yeah, what time is it?
11:30.
Yeah, I don't have charts I can put up on here. Is the problem?
You should
let me take a break.
You should set that other computer up with just charts, just for streaming.
I have the. I am streaming on the other computer. That's why I don't have charts on here because I don't have. I mean, I'm logged into the this here on this other computer, that
Yeah, that's
side
what I'm saying. You
computer.
should just set up like
Yeah,
a window with charts and put it
but
on that.
I'd have to get data to run there.
Oh, you don't have data. Okay, you don't have data on that.
Well, I mean, I have data, but I'm using it for well,
Got it.
I can figure it out. I'll figure something out.
Yeah,
I'll
I mean,
figure something out.
who has
But
charts? Who do I trust here? Stretch, obviously. He doesn't have all six charts. So who's running all six charts that I trust? Who you guys?
let me see what
Come
I
on.
can do.
Which one of you guys are running all six charts that I trust? Not to do something silly. Oh, none of you. Nobody speaks up on that one, huh? Nobody speaks up on that.
Let me do this.
That
Let
was a
me.
bona fide long, man. Oh, I
I
should
can
have
try to. We can
waited.
take a
I should
break,
have
and I can try
waited.
to build some charts.
I should have waited. I mean, it's whatever. I mean, they won't die to miss us for an afternoon.
Yeah, it's not going to kill everybody to be absent for an afternoon. Heck, if you didn't get enough this morning, most of you, if any of you caught any of those trades, you should be done for the week. Let's see.
Well, again, not trading anymore for me. So, uh,
Yeah, he is missing that. Yeah,
what'd you say?
I just read that. No, I just read what you were saying about him missing the. Yeah, he doesn't
Missing
get
the
it.
point on that one. Yeah. I'm not trading the accounts I have green. I'm not doing it. I'm done. No more charts for me.
I could.
What do you guys want to do? So anybody
The
here
only
trust me on that?
only thing I could do is try to build some charts. Go on break, try to build some charts and put something up. But like I said, I don't have charts on that computer, so I don't even have Ninja on. I have to get Ninja set up.
If you guys want
Like
Paul,
I see something, I can come in here and call it.
anybody, we're trying to give
But
you guys
I'll
a
be
chance
perfectly
here.
honest with you. As green as I am, I don't know what there is left for me to trade.
It's been good.
Yeah, let's just wrap it up. There's no sense. There's no sense doing this because by the time I build these charts and everything, I can do that to have them for next go round. But I don't want to spend the next hour and a half building charts. That's not how I want to spend my day. Probably should have thought about this a little sooner, huh? You know what? Everybody go into the member meetup. Y'all sell charts in there.
um, but nobody's answering us anyway. They're done.
Right. Everybody's done anyway,
They're
so
done.
that
That's a good trade.
works
I
out
mean,
good.
again, with the exception of me trying to, throw a hail mary on that one account, it's been a good morning. I mean, I
The,
can't.
the the real trades were awesome.
Yeah, the real trades are good. I had my real trades were good trades. I mean, we passed on a few that were good trades that we should have taken, but we also caught the ones that we meant to catch. So I can't really complain about that whatsoever. I mean, it's just not something I can do. This again another bona fide long setup setting up here. if you know where to put your entry at. Although this, if it breaks any low on the ES, if I had been just a minute or two more patient, nobody can see